share about your journey as a doctor?
Hello guys, મારું નામ કેવલ શાહ છે. હું પણ સુરતથી છું. પણ I was born in Vadodara, but મારા પેરેન્ટ્સ સુરતમાં હતા, એટલે I raised in સુરત. સુરતમાં મેં experimental સ્કૂલમાં મારું સ્કૂલિંગ ખતમ કર્યું, સેકન્ડરી એન્ડ હાયર સેકન્ડરી. પછી હું સ્મીમેર મેડિકલ કોલેજમાં જોઈન થયો હતો અને ત્યાંથી મેં મારું MBBS પૂરું કર્યું. I was there until internship, and pachi I thought it would be a great opportunity for me to come to US. So after spending 25 years of my life in Surat, I decided to move to USA, and US ma 2014 થી છું. It's been 6 years. It's been a good journey. MBBS khatam karya pachi maro je valuable experience હતો India થી, which is more towards clinical. ત્યાં મને કામ લાગે છે, and I am currently a third year neurology resident in Wayne State University in Detroit, Michigan.
Did you observe any change in the nervous system of COVID-19 positive patients?
Definitely, which was very surprising, and we are working on it as a research project as well. COVID લોકોના મનમાં એવું હશે કદાચ કે it is just a disease of the lung, which is kind of wrong. No doubt it is affecting the lungs, પણ એના સિવાય એ blood પર બી significantly effect કરે છે. અને સરપ્રાઇઝિંગલી તમને એવું કહીશ કે જ્યારે હું ન્યુરોલોજીમાં કામ કરું છું, અને there were times કે અમારા commonest patients are stroke patients. તો તમારી પાસે patient with stroke આવે, અને it's very unusual to see stroke in both side of your brain. Usually કેવું હોય કે કોઈ પણ patients આવશે, એમને એક સાઈડની ડિફેક્ટ હશે, અથવા રાઈટ સાઈડ વીક હશે તો બ્રેઇનમાં લેફ્ટ સાઈડ સ્ટ્રોક છે, લેફ્ટ સાઈડ વીક હશે તો બ્રેઇનમાં રાઈટ સાઈડ સ્ટ્રોક છે. પણ અમે મલ્ટિપલ સ્મોલ સ્ટ્રોક્સ જોતા હતા, which was very surprising. કારણ કે તમે કોઈ એક જગ્યા પર પ્રેક્ટિસ કરો ને, પછી તમને ખબર હોય કે what are your usual patient because of the population. But this was something completely unusual. Ke ek nahi, ben nahi, there were plenty of cases. Not only elderly, they were younger patients. Usually stroke commonly happens after the age of 50 or 60. These were kind of young, 40 to 60 ની વચ્ચે હતા, and multiple strokes, which was kind of concerning. અને એ બધા patients જ્યારે અમે લોકોએ COVID test કર્યું, and they were positive. So we were thinking that what is this virus doing? Honestly, everyone is creating a hypothesis that COVID is affecting the lungs, but at the same time there are nephrologists, doctors of kidney, who also think that kidney par pan any significant effect hai cha. At the same time, as a neurologist, we saw that there were strokes, multiple, which could be related to COVID as well. So in a neurology perspective, અમે એ પણ જોયું કે અમારા મલ્ટિપલ સ્ક્લેરોસિસ હોય. It's a very common neurological disease કે જેમાં તમારી બોડીની immunity against the brain, they attack against the brain. So what we give them is immunosuppressant, so that their immunity is not attacking their own brain and spinal cord. So a બધા patients પણ suddenly started flaring up. તો જે પેશન્ટ્સ MS છે, ઇમ્યુનો કોમ્પ્રોમાઇઝ છે, અને એના પર કોવિડ થયું એમને, they had a very significant mortality rate. Like their outcome was very poor. So not only the lungs, but it also affected the brain in a very significant way.
Tell us about your experience as COVID positive patient and its recovery.
Yeah. So it's a very strange way to have COVID for me. કારણ કે April 3rd was my last day of work, અને પછી હું 2 week ના વેકેશન પર જવાનો હતો. Of course, I was not going to go anywhere. I was just going to go stay home because there were restrictions. So the last day of work was April 3rd, and I developed my first fever on April 13th. So about 10 days. I had no symptoms. I might have acquired if I have gone out. Yes, હું બે જગ્યાએ grocery કરવા ગયો હતો. I just went 2 places, that's it. I didn't go anywhere. I took all of my precautions. So I honestly don't know where I got it, but I developed 10 days after the last time I worked. Fever, high grade, about 100 or 101 Fahrenheit. And I was feeling cold. I had chills, but no rigors. અને દિવસમાં બે વખત આવતો. એટલે સોમવાર એ દિવસે સોમવાર હતો, સોમવારે બે વખત I was concerned. મને એવું લાગ્યું કે I was not sleeping enough for past couple of days. That could be the reason I'm not eating enough. But then you can say, yeah, I had lethargy and loss of appetite. પછી મંગળવારે પણ સેમ થયું, બુધવારે પણ સેમ થયું. Budvar, like Wednesday was the day when I felt I was putting some more efforts breathing. I can feel that I'm breathing. Usually breathing is your subconscious mind. You don't know you're breathing every day. But I started feeling that I'm breathing and I'm breathing a little bit heavy. That time I got concerned, and what I decided myself, since we do the same thing in hospital, કે જે પેશન્ટ્સ ને કોવિડ હોય તેને અમે લોકો પ્રોન પોઝિશનમાં સુવાડીએ, એટલે છાતીનો ભાગ નીચે આવે અને તમારી પીઠ ઉપર આવે એવી રીતે. તો રીઝન એ છે કે તમારા લંગનો મેજોરિટી એરિયા જે છે ને તે પાછળ છે, આગળ નથી, પાછળ છે. તો તમે પ્રોન પોઝિશનમાં સુવો ને તો તમે તમારા લંગનો વોલ્યુમ વધારે અવેલેબલ રાખો છો એર માટે. That is an advantage. That's why we prefer prone position. So मैं रात्रे मारी जाते prone position में सुવાનું start कर દીધું. And meanwhile I already isolated myself. અને પછી I decided that I should call my human resources because I was about to go back to work from Monday and I did not want to expose others. So they called me and I described my symptoms. And then I was tested and I was tested positive. Mane fever and lethargy. I did not develop any cough, dry cough nato. Short of breath, I would say I would just one day, but I did not require any attention. I was able to, like, I stayed home. I did not need anything. I just took care of myself. And I had fever for 5 days and pachi it was completely gone. Pachi I started recovering and initially I was tired, but eventually I get my strength back. During this time, I did not exaggerate anything. I did not try anything new other than just sleeping in prone position. Hydrated myself, tried to eat as much as I can, and I avoided NSAIDs. These are the painkillers that can help you to ease fever as well. But I was simply taking Tylenol. मैं कोई बीजी दवा नहीं लीधी. Vitamin C na sachet, like drink P22. That's about it. But I got better after a week.
Any tips for recovery of mild COVID cases?
Unfortunately, the funny part of COVID is that you don't develop all the symptoms which are available in COVID. Like, for my example, I did not develop shortness of breath. There are people who only develop shortness of breath, but they never develop fever. And I have my colleague who is a tech worker in my hospital. She only developed loss of taste and smell. She did not have any other symptoms. She was tested positive for COVID. તો એક લિસ્ટ તમારી પાસે છે કે what are the symptoms that can happen in patients with COVID, and also try to find out કે તમારો કોઈ recent contact હતો કોઈની સાથે, અથવા કોઈ તમે એવી જગ્યાએ ગયા હતા, અથવા તમે કોઈ સરાઉન્ડિંગ એવી વ્યક્તિ સાથે હતા કે જે possibly also having some symptoms. Fever છે, but fever has to be high grade. Low grade fever is very rare. હાઈ ગ્રેડ ફીવર હોય કે ડ્રાય કફ હોય, પ્રોડક્ટિવ કફ નહીં કે જેમાં તમારે ગળફા નીકળે એવું નહીં, ડ્રાય કફ હોય કે પછી તમને લોસ ઓફ ટેસ્ટ એન્ડ સ્મેલ હોય, ડિફિકલ્ટી ઇન બ્રીથિંગ હોય, તમારા હાર્ટ રેટ થોડા વધારે હોય. તો આ બધા સાઇન્સ છે. The best thing to do during this time, કે અગર જો તમે આવા સિમ્ટમ્સ કે એવું ડેવલપ કરો છો, the first and foremost thing to do is isolate yourself. and try to reach out the officials how to proceed. કારણ કે તમે સ્ટ્રેસમાં આવી જાઓ અને તમને એવું થાય કે મને કોવિડ છે પણ તમે આજુબાજુ દોડાદોડી કરવા માંડો. At the same time, you may lose that idea that you are also infecting others. You are exposing others. So the best thing to do is that you isolate yourself in part of your house and reach out to the health authority and see what are the next steps for you. During this time, try to drink water as much as you can, eat healthy, and sleep enough. And if you feel કે તમે થોડી શ્વાસ લેવામાં તકલીફ પડશે, the best thing to do is 2 ઓશિકા લેવાનો. એક ઓશિકું મૂકવાનું, તમારું માથું મૂકવાનું એના પર, અને બીજું ઓશિકું તમારે તમારી સાઈડમાં મૂકવાનું અને એના પર એક પગ રાખીને ઊંધા સૂઈ જવાનું, જેને કારણે તમને તમારા લંગને એક્સપાન્ડ કરવાની ઇનફ એરિયા મળે અને you can breathe if you feel short of breath. So those are the things you can do.
Is there any difference in the treatment of patients for developed countries like the USA?
Asymptomatic patients, we recommend them to quarantine and isolate themselves at home. Mildly symptomatic patient, if they need something, we provide them. But we also recommend them to quarantine themselves at home. But then there are serious patients who require ICU intervention. Those patients are in ICU, and we try to maintain their air, their lungs, their kidney and their brain. Those are the most important part. કારણ કે જેટલા પણ પેશન્ટ્સ અમારી પાસે કોવિડના છે જે આઈસીયુમાં હતા, એ લોકોને some sort of kidney damage થયું જ હતું, જે લોકોને પછી હિમોડાયાલિસિસ, અને we call it CRRT. It's a continuous renal replacement. So it's like a kidney outside of your body which is continuously filtering your blood. And we were also anticoagulating those patients. Anticoagulation એટલે કેવું કે તમને કાપો પડે અને તમારે લોહી નીકળે પછી જાતે ક્લોટ થઈ જાય. But this was kind of happening in patients with COVID internally, and that's why they were having strokes. So we were giving them anticoagulation, and which is just to thin the blood ne clot banta atkava mate, and it proved to be beneficial. No doubt beneficial effect is very small, but it is still significant. So those were the things we were doing, and I believe all the countries are doing the same thing. And regarding the medications available out there for COVID, like remdesivir che, tocilizumab che, so they are still under trial. People are saying, and which might be true, ke right moment, right patient will be beneficial, but unfortunately not every patient has been benefiting from the medication. Hydroxychloroquine starting we tried that too on our patients as well, but unfortunately patient reached to a point where there was no coming back. So even medication wouldn't help. It is just like that the damage was irreversible. એટલે તમે હાઇડ્રોક્સીક્લોરોક્વિન આપશો કે રેમડેસિવિર આપશો કે ટોકેલિઝુમાબ આપશો, it's not like એ અંદર જઈને તમારા લંગ્સના જે ડેમેજ્ડ એરિયા છે તેને આખું reconstruct કરશે. So that people needs to know કે it is just gonna try to supplement કે જે ડેમેજ થતો હશે તેને અટકાવવાની કોશિશ કરશે, but જે ડેમેજ્ડ ઓલરેડી હશે, it's not gonna get better. So we might have given it in a later period, but again, research suggests that right patient at right moment will be really helpful. But we are still trying to figure it out, what is right patient and what is right moment.
Any last message for our viewers?
First of all, no one should be scared. Life છે જીવવાની, અને try to enjoy it, but try to do it as safe as possible. COVID તમે તમારી રીતે પ્રિકોશન્સ લેશો, તમારી જાતને આઇસોલેટ રાખશો, તમારા હેન્ડ વોશ કરશો, સોશિયલ ડિસ્ટન્સ મેન્ટેન કરશો, તો કોવિડ નહીં થશે બેઝિકલી. કારણ કે અનફોર્ચ્યુનેટલી ડ્યુરિંગ like those 10 days I went out for grocery. I maintained the social distance because I also took one of my friends who also required to do groceries. So he never developed symptoms. He never tested positive. He was negative. what we did, we maintained the social distance. We had our hand away from each other, and we kept washing our hand in a proper way, and that helped. So unfortunately, I got it from somewhere, but he did not get me from me, which was I felt happy about it. So I know that tamare you have to stay home. You cannot live the life you used to live. બહાર જતા હતા, ગૌરવ પર બેસીને કરતા હતા. I know it's a very difficult time, but we just have to go through it and life will move on. So you can just stay home, have fun at home, board games ramo, try to reconnect with your family members, try to reconnect with your old friends over the phone, over the Zoom meeting, etc. Just the ગભરાવાની જરૂર નથી. તમે not every person above 60 is dying, and not every person below 30 is also dying. There are people who have comorbidities like significant diabetes or hypertension or other comorbidities. No doubt they have a higher risk, but they are also surviving. Like example, Amitabh Bachchan, he has comorbidities and he is doing well. As long as you are trying to keep yourself healthy, eat healthy food, drink water, that will be enough, along with your hand hygiene and hygiene for yourself. Try to keep things clean around yourself. That will also help. So these small things will definitely help you. If you don't think, oh, I was to clean રાખવાથી શું ફાયદો, પણ ના, એના લીધે પણ ફાયદો થાય છે. એટલે ગભરાવાનું જરૂર નથી. Just try to be safe, and just use this opportunity to develop your own new hobbies and enjoy. This will pass too. It is just gonna take time. I don't know how long, but it will pass. And like me, I also survived. I just took care of myself without requiring any additional help from anyone else. I live by myself. So if I can do it, you all guys can do it. You just have to be patient. Don't get anxious, because anxiety will affect more than keeping yourself calm. So those are the things you have to look for. So stay calm, stay safe.